Hey everybody, I'm gonna make a real quick video on what I do for my dogs whenever it's cold, because in Texas it's currently about 20 degrees, and this is the setup they have right now. Their water freezes every time it gets cold, so what I did is it's kind of hard to see, I ran an extension cord to a, can you put your flashlight over here actually real quick? Oh, well, you turned it off. Turn your flashlight on.
How'd you get off?
It's got a old fish tank pump in there to keep the water circulating. But I'm also gonna add this old fish tank heater in there to keep it warm too. And then this is the doghouse I have a video of. You can see they got pillows and heat lamps, and there's a sensor. I can't go in there, so I hope I'm getting it.
Oh yeah, it's me.
So we can tell what the temperature is inside. I got this at Walmart. So right there, not underneath the heat lamp, it's 58 degrees. So underneath the heat lamps is probably at least 65, it's close to 70. But if you can't take your dogs inside, this is a good idea to keep them so they have water and warmth and shelter. Right, Ginger? Ginger approves. Okay, thanks for watching.